There's a magic that happens when you dance. Everything lines up. The world is in sync. And for one perfect moment, you feel totally alive.
Sorry, everyone. Looks like we found what we're looking for.
But everyone knows it's not that easy.
I thought LA was supposed to be the place where dreams actually happen.
It must suck to be hot for 5 minutes and realize that your flash mob ain't nothing but a joke.
Wake up! This crew's not ready for LA, man.
Welcome to the Vortex. This is the ultimate dance competition with the ultimate prize. The 3-year Vegas contract.
You can't enter alone. So we putting a crew together or what?
Hell yeah!
What are you doing here? What do you mean? You're in our new crew. We're gonna dance on live television in Vegas, blah, blah, blah. Come on, we'll fill you in the car.
If we're gonna be a crew, who's gonna be in charge?
I am.
I see you got yourself a new crew. Y'all come to see some real dancing?
Winning, it's great. But being here with you guys, that's all I care about.
Oh, I'm sorry. I wanted it so bad. I didn't realize what I was losing.
Now, I hear the Grim Knights are the crew to beat. How do you feel about that?
Shake it, break it, make it bounce.
We need to give them a show. We're gonna bring the house down.